So guys, we all know about USB C dongles. Like, they're perfect for MacBook Pros because that's all they have. They just have 2 to 4 USB C inputs, and that's how you have to get your SD cards inside your MacBook Pro. That's how you have to put USB A into it. I don't have a MacBook Pro, but this dongle has really changed my life for a lot of my tech. So first of all, with my iMac, I hate putting the SD card in the back. I hate putting the USB A ports into the back. It's just super annoying to like get up and have to look to see what port I want. This thing makes it super easy. I just plug it into the lightning port in the back, and it's just basically like a USB-C hub, and it has all these different things. So it has 4 USB 3.0 ports right here. It's got a LAN port if you want that Ethernet action. It's got HDMI, it's got VGA, so you can do a lot of stuff. And then also it has SD cards right on this side right here, so you can put big SD cards and then the micro SD, which is a little bit of a game changer. Well, I'm being dramatic, but it's a lot easier because the iMac doesn't have a micro SD card slot, so you usually have to use an adapter. Secondly, the USB-C is on a lot of phones now. So iPhones have Lightning, which sucks, but like my Galaxy S9 right here has USB-C. So you can plug this dongle into your phone as well. And what that allows you to do, it allows you to unlock a lot of different features. But what I really like, you can plug your micro SD cards and SD cards into your phone, so you can watch your footage back like on the field in real time in really good quality. So when I fly my drones, like you can play back, but it's not normally the best like quality, and it's hard to scrub. But with this, you just plug it in and you can view like your 4K footage on your phone, and you can scrub it like perfectly. It's super smooth. I think it's probably the most effective ways to playing back content, like if you're out and about and you don't have a computer and you just want to double check like the quality, the exposure, stuff like that. Like, that's really cool. So this has the HDMI. So what that allows you to do is basically mirror your display on another device. But what I found that was really cool, if you plug the USB-C into your Galaxy Note 9 and then plug that into your TV, you can now use Samsung DeX. So like you have like a full computer experience on your TV, and all you have is just this dongle. Now, of course, you can just use a USB-C to HDMI connector, but the fact that this kind of does everything, I would rather just have this thing, this device. So basically, in a way, this device replaces so many different things. So for one, the OTG connector that comes with your Galaxy Note, it now replaces that, because here's this, but then you can just plug the hub right into it. And it also replaces your USB-C to HDMI cable, because you have that HDMI input right here. It also replaces the need to have a separate hub on your computer. It just does a little bit of everything, and that's what I really like about it. And people kind of forget, like, the USB-C dongle action just isn't for MacBook Pros. You can use it on your phone, you can use it on your iMac, you can use it on your TV with the HDMI and the appropriate device. It just does a lot more than just making a MacBook Pro usable. If you have a MacBook Pro though, it will really help you out there as well. Some of you guys have said you wanted shorter videos from me, so here's a short video, nothing that's like 10 minutes or longer, short and sweet and to the point. And if you do want a USB-C dongle like this one, I will put a link in the description below. Check it out. They sent it to me free to review. So just a full disclaimer right there for you. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.